to Poo Files.
Poo Files, open.
Fancy a tropical getaway? Lolling about on white sandy beaches? Lolling about in poo, more like. White sand is parrotfish poop. They eat dead coral and grind it all up with their weird fish beaks. Misrepresentation!
Poo Facts.
Takahē. They've got powerful legs and powerful mouths. One Takahē can offload up to 9 metres of turds each day. That's around half the length of a 10-pin bowling lane. Strike!
Pose.
Someone has left a mess and they didn't blammin' clean it up. Spider? Or caterpillar? Place your bets!
Bonnet facts. Human fast travel at 3 metres per second. Oh, that's 10.8 kilometres per hour. Who got the job of measuring them? How they do it? Do we actually want to know? Pose.
Who didn't blimmin' clean up after themselves? A spider, that's who. Spider soil is dark and a bit liquid, so it can look like paint splatter. Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files, closed.